In this session, we are going to take a look at how to create bar charts. Our task is to visualize the total sales volumes among different regions by different avocado types. We will be creating two different types of bar charts to visualize the same thing. The first one is the cluster bar chart, and the second one is a stacked bar chart. So let's start with the cluster bar chart. Let's create a new worksheet and rename it as clustered bar chart. So in this cluster bar chart, we are going to use the region and the type as your x-axis, which is what you'll be putting into the columns field. And then we're going to use the total volume of the avocado as our y-axis, which is also the row field in here. So let's start. We'll be dragging the region and the type to the columns. So now you see that we have generated 6 different columns, each represented the different types from a region. And next, we are going to drag the total volume to the rows so that it will become the y-axis. Now you see that we have successfully generated the cluster bar chart to visualize the total sales volume among different regions by the avocado type. Right now, you'll see that in this visualization, they are all colored in the same color. Let's say if you're trying to color the avocado total sales by the different region, then what we can do is that we can drag the region to the colors. Now, if you want to show them differently based on the type, then we can actually drag the type to the colors. So something for you to try to play with is how will things change if you switch the columns with the rows? And you can try that by yourself. The other thing is, what will happen if you switch the sequence between region and type? If you move type before region, how will it change this cluster bar chart? Try with that as well. Now, let's take a look at a stacked bar chart. So we will create a new sheet and change it to stacked bar chart. So this time what we will do is that we will first add the region to the columns. And then what we will do is that we will drag the total volume to the rows again. So this will generate the total volumes for each different region. So in order to create a stacked bar chart, you will need to use the type to differentiate the different colors in this bar. So we'll be dragging the type to the colors, and we have completed the creation of a stacked bar chart to visualize the total sales volume among different regions by the avocado price. Now, something for you to try is that if you switch the sequence of these two types here, how would that change your stacked bar chart? Besides this, you can also try to add some other filters to this visualization and see what more information can you include into this visualization.